when I tip that up, you'll see a clear, fairly runny fluid. That's the syrup starting to form. And by tomorrow night, that's 24 hours, you'll see a fluid that comes up to about here. It'll be like an amber, very runny fluid, and that's your onion syrup. And you can strain your onion out, and you can keep that cough syrup in your fridge. Well, I don't know how long you can keep it in the fridge because it never lasted long in my house. But a German lady said, I've had a jar in my fridge for 8 years. So that's the onion.